IXL is great, but the problem with science and social studies is that it doesn't have the lessons. So you can see that the questions is here, and then afterward, then it has a small lesson about it. So what we did was we went through the quizzes, we downloaded the mini lessons, and then we put it all into a lesson plan. And we're going to show you how we use that lesson plan in ChatGPT to have an interactive learning experience. So our kids did that, and they do the quiz, and they said that the pre-lesson really helped them with the quiz. So try it out and let us know what you think. After a lot of configuration, we found that this works for our family. This is the IXL Study Companion view that you will get through the URL. You drag over the plan, then you click send prompt. It's going to ask you to start voice. Then you start voice. With this approach, you can see both the text and the voice. You guys ready?
Yes, I am ready to start.
In an election, people choose their representatives and leaders by voting. Each person's choice is called a vote, and votes are counted to decide who wins the election. How do people choose their representatives and leaders in an election?
By voting.
That's right. Voting in a presidential election is important because it allows citizens to help choose the country's leader, who has many responsibilities, including signing laws and managing the military. Why is voting in a presidential election important?
Because it allows to help to the country's leader.
Exactly. A person who runs for president is called a candidate. To be a candidate, one must be a US citizen, at least 35 years old, and have lived in the US for at least 14 years. What are the requirements to be a candidate for president?
5 years.
A candidate must be a US citizen at least 35 years old and have lived in the US for at least 14 years. Let's move forward.
So you can see that in here, the text isn't right, but it can understand it somewhat, and it's pretty good. And I show a case where I did the wrong answer for you so that you can see. At the end is we'll ask the kid to summarize what they can learn. And it has worked out for our family for the past few days. So please try it out and let us know.
Bye.